Hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel. So here I will be starting a live Algo 50 days challenge. So in this challenge I will be doing 50 days training using my two algos. Okay, and I want you to follow my channel and see the performance live. So whatever the performance will be there, I will be posting every day. Okay. So thus, let's start the details like how the challenge will be and what are the rules and what is the capital I'm going to use. Okay. So let's start. So yeah. So this is the rules which I have created. So I'm going to use 5 lakhs capital here. Okay. And I will be running two algos. Okay. Then there will be allocation of two algos, which is like 2 lakhs for one algo and another one is 3 lakhs, right? And it's purely intraday strategy. Okay. So what I will be doing is for 2 lakhs capital, I will be starting with two lots. And for this bank Nifty, I will be using three lots of Nifty at the money I will be buying. Okay, so both are buying strategies. Okay, so this combination will be working very good because this Nifty is weekly and this monthly is this bank Nifty is monthly expiry. So the capital requirement is little more compared to Nifty. So the rules is like we will be doing one we just need to click start, and whatever profit or loss we will take it, and algo will be taking care. So I will be not doing anything in the middle. Okay, so yeah, if you feel like you can stop the algo, you can do it when you are happy with the profits, or if you feel like you're seeing some trend reversal or something. If you have time to watch the market, you can do that, but generally it's not required. Okay, because we have fixed stop loss and fixed targets. um, so next thing is like what is the max loss per day for each algo. So for each algo I will be putting 6k for Nifty, and 10k max we will be losing in bank Nifty. And average profit here you see 3000 to 4000, but the winning ratio is high here. So the 3k 6k and 4k is not a good risk reward, but still we will be getting a decent returns because the accuracy is high in this, and you will see that. And the next thing is here we will be taking three lots, and for each lot we will be having like 1:1, 1:2, and 1:3 target is there, right? So the max loss we will be not taking more than 10,000, but the profit is we will be having like 1:3 is also there. So many times 1:3 will be giving you very good bumping up our profits very good, right? So the next thing is for algo Nifty, I'm not going to trade on expiry day because theta decay is there and it's expiry, right? And for bank Nifty, what will happen is when you start the bank Nifty trading, the premiums will be around 1,000 rupees or 12,000 or 1,200 rupees. Okay, but when it comes to the expiry, as of for example, today is 16th. Okay, so if you see today is 16th May, and it is middle of the month, right? So the expiry is having less days, so the premiums will be at the money will be around 600 to 700 between. So you can do is you can double the lot size, and it will become 1,200 to 1,300, right? So in that way you can match that. So we make sure like when we are buying anything, it is like at least 1,000 rupees quantity is there. But if you are a very stable trader, you can continue with the whatever pricing, because see, at the beginning, if you are in profit first 15 days, right? And if slowly the premiums are reducing, right? And your risk is also reducing and reward is also reducing, right? So that is a good strategy as well. If you want, you can double the lots. But if you are safe trader, then you can continue with the same algo, right? So that is the process which I am going to follow. So the algo which I have created, I already have a lot of videos on this. You can see I'm going to use the same algo, and as you see, I will be showing the algo which I am running so far. Sorry. Um, so this is the algo which I am running. So it is giving a pretty good return so far. So I just started with two lots now, and but wait, so yeah, statistics. Yeah. So you see, so I have just started with two lots. So the thing is, there are few consecutive losses I get, and I increase the lot size. So because of that, it is showing a big dip, but that is not the actual dip. Previously, I used to start with 1 lakh capital. Now my capital grows to 1.5, so I increase the lot size. And in this month, I consecutively there are 3 to 4 losses I need to face because of that. That is a drawdown we are getting. But as you see, the previous reports, March, April, and Feb, we had I was trading with 10 lakhs 1 lakh capital, so I'm getting 12, 15,000 returns, 12 to 15,000 rupees every month, means approx 10% return I'm getting. Okay, so this month I started with 2 lakh capital. So you can see I'm in a loss of 10,000, which is like 5% loss. So that's fine. I will be continuing with this trading. So this is a drawdowns which we will face in any algo. So that we need to, because of that, we cannot say the algo is not good, right? So this is one algo which I'm going to run, and the other algo which I'm going to run currently, it's in, I think, paper trade. Let me open it. So, yeah. So the Nifty, yeah. So the next one is this one, which currently I was doing paper trading. Um, Statistics. Yeah. So you see this is like on a 5 lakh capital I have mentioned, because it's not using 5 lakhs, but as a risk reward thing and money management, because of that I have mentioned 5 lakhs capital. Okay. So you see, currently last month it gave around 82,000 rupees profit, and this month, so till now 35,000 it's already given, right? And it is pretty good we are getting, but the drawdown is also pretty big, because we are having 10,000 loss. But it is not that easy to get that 10,000 loss. But if you are hitting, then just exit. You see the max loss, we have taken 10,000, and the max profit is 23,000. Okay. So these are the two algos which I am going to run, and I will be posting this reports every day, right? And you can see live algo. I have live streaming also, so that you can see the algo performance every day. And it will be mostly morning 9:15 to 9, around 1 hour you will be getting profit or loss, max to max. But until we get anything profit or loss, we will not be stopping the algo, right? So and the next thing is yeah, so these are the algo. And if you want to join this algo, and if you want to start this algos, please feel free to reach out to my number, which I have mentioned in the comment section or description, you can see. And if you want to join these two algos subscriptions, you can join it. And the next thing is the logic about this algo is it is trying to catch the morning trend, which is 9:15. You will see a trend, uptrend or downtrend, right? So it try to catch the momentum, and we will quickly get the profit and get out of that profit. And we will also have a trailing here. So for example, if you reach 2,000 profit for one lot, then it will log the profit of 1,500, and every 500 it will be jumping. Like for example, if 2,500 if your next coming profit, then the log profit, which is 1,500, will become 2,000. So something like that, it will keep on scrolling up, and you will it will trade. Okay. And here I didn't put any trailing. It was directly 3 lots we are buying it, and it is based on the candles. So it is picking the candle which is having a smallest, you can consider smallest stop loss we try to get, and which is 50 points. So if any candle which is forming 50 or around 50, below 50, then it is trying to catch that candle and try to do the open breakout strategy, but there are some other parameters also I have added. Based on that, it will select that candle. It will try to do the breakout game, and in that, what we'll do is it will try to enter the market whichever direction it will hit. So for example, if buy if it's break the high, then it will enter into the buy. If it's break the low, it will enter into the low, and then it will keep jumping it up and down. Then we will be in a loss, right? So in that particular time, we will book a loss of 10,000. And similarly, if suppose market is in sideways, then we will get a loss. Or if we are entered into the wrong direction, then only we will get a loss, right? So this is a very risky game. Okay. So and come clearly mentioning, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Please, if you are investing or any profits or loss, it's completely yours. Okay, I'm not responsible for this. I'm doing this research, and I'm doing this testing to make sure I like how this algo is performing. So I make this 50-day challenge, and let's see how it's do. I'm not sure I will be in profit or loss, but let's see. Hope for the best, right? Hope you like this video, and just join my channel and keep getting the updates. And I also have a group, WhatsApp group, where you can join and you can see the everyday screenshots of my profit and losses. Okay, so you can also check that, right? So based on the previous algo executions, I'm started this thing. So 5 lakhs capital is minimum required for this because of the drawdowns. It's not utilizing all the capital, but as option buying is like using less capital, but we should have enough capital to make sure we are able to run algo even if you get continuous losses, and you should not have the capital is not there or something like that. Okay. So just maintain this capital, then only join this. Otherwise, please don't join this. It is not advisable. Right? Yeah. That's it from my side. If suppose if you want to run both individually, that also you can do. So I make this algos in such a way both are supporting each other. Right? So that if something gets lost, we get profit in here. If we are getting loss here, if we get profit here. So something or on an average, we should be in a profit, right? So that is what the concept I am thinking. So let's see how it's performed. Okay. So if you want to run individually, you can run it, but both are performing very good. So let's see how it goes. But if you are interested, you can join any of the algos. That is also fine, right? Okay. That's it from my side. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.